Before the Romans, before the Moors, and even before the Celts, an ancient and enigmatic people walked the lands of what we now call Spain. Who were the Iberians? What secrets do they hold? Join us as we uncover the mysteries of Spain's first civilization. Who were the Iberians? The Iberians were a collection of diverse tribes who thrived in the Iberian Peninsula from around 600 BC to the Roman conquest in the 2nd century BC. Unlike later groups, they were neither fully Indo-European nor part of the Celtic migrations. Instead, they developed a unique culture, language, and identity that still puzzles historians today. While their origins remain uncertain, some theories suggest connections to the ancient peoples of North Africa, the Mediterranean, or even pre-Indo-European societies that predated recorded history. A culture of warriors and artisans. The Iberians were known for their warrior culture. They fought fiercely, often as mercenaries for Carthage against Rome. Their weapon of choice, the deadly falcata, was one of the most efficient swords of the ancient world, capable of slicing through enemy armor with ease. But they weren't just warriors, they were skilled artisans. The Iberians produced exquisite pottery, intricate metalwork, and detailed sculptures, blending native influences with those of the Phoenicians and Greeks who traded along the Mediterranean coast. The Iberian language, a lost mystery. One of the greatest mysteries of the Iberians is their language. Unlike Latin, Greek, or even Basque, the Iberian script remains largely undeciphered. Though we can read some of it phonetically, its full meaning remains elusive. Could unlocking this language reveal more about their origins? Religious beliefs and funerary rites. Iberian religious practices were deeply tied to nature and the afterlife. They built sanctuaries, practiced rituals involving fire, and buried their dead with intricate grave goods, suggesting a belief in an existence beyond death. Their deities, partially influenced by Mediterranean cultures, remain shrouded in mystery. The fall of the Iberians. Despite their resilience, the Iberians eventually fell to the might of Rome. By the end of the 2nd century BC, Roman forces had conquered much of the peninsula, absorbing Iberian lands into their growing empire. Over time, Iberian culture, language, and identity faded, replaced by Roman rule. Legacy of the Iberians. Though their civilization disappeared, traces of the Iberians still linger today. Elements of their art, burial practices, and even some linguistic influences may have survived in Basque and Spanish traditions. The Iberians may have vanished, but their mark on history remains. The Iberians were Spain's first great civilization, mysterious, powerful, and lost to time. Will we ever fully understand their origins and secrets? Only time will tell. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical mysteries.